Today I will show you best typing softwares which I like. If you want software link, Type Faster is awesome software for learners. It provides different levels of lessons. You can see boxes on keys. In this order you need to keep your fingers. Now next typing software is awesome. I like it so much. It has so nice graphical interface. It has typing games.
Hi, I'm Mavis Beacon. I'm here to help you. Welcome to the practice area. Choose a practice passage from the list or import your own documents to begin. Remember, your work in the practice area won't be tracked in your progress reports. Welcome to Feed the Chameleon. Chameleon Picnic will help you to improve your accuracy. Type the characters on the ants as they appear to feed the hungry chameleon. Type with accuracy to protect your ship from flying debris and space junk. You're making steady progress with every lesson. Improve your to play checkout time. Place your fingers on the 10 keypad and type the numbers that appear on the register. Remember to hit the Enter key after each number sequence. Put the pedal to the metal and type the words as they appear as quickly as you can to win the race. Speed is key, but don't forget to work on accuracy. Take to the water and improve. Type the words that appear as fast as you can to rocket your jet ski to the finish line. Focus on speed to win, but be sure and maintain your accuracy. Cook up a tasty meal. There's a dinner party scheduled tonight and you are the chef. Type 3 matching colored words to cook up a portion of tonight's meal. Bon appetit! Look out below! Type the words that appear on the boulders before they hit the ground. Watch your accuracy. Mistyped boulders will stay at the bottom of the screen and cannot be cleared. Look out below! It will take speed and accuracy to improve your accuracy at the Candy Factory in Gumball Gambit. Explore exotic locales in your flying machine by typing build your speed and accuracy and have some fun in the Creature Lab. In Shark Attack, you'll have to find the treasure before the shark finds you. It's undersea cacophony unless you can type the right letters before time runs out in Undersea Karaoke. It's visit the South Pole to perfect your typing speed and accuracy. It's time for your big summer vacation, but you don't have everything you need for the road trip. Groove your way to improved accuracy and rhythm. Feed the chameleon and develop your typing accuracy in Chameleon Picnic. Welcome to the Custom Lesson Designer. Here you can modify a lesson or create your own custom lesson. Here you can see a summary of your progress by viewing reports that track your key proficiency, words per minute, and progress toward your goal. Welcome to the Settings area. Here you can adjust your audio settings and make changes to your personal profile.
Subscribe to Best Infotech. Also say your friends to subscribe Best.